learning together and having a sense of brotherhood and belonging helps us understand how to work with people around us. You're able to learn a lot about yourself by connecting person to person with folks who have different lived experiences. Our fraternity was founded in 1909 at a point when many of our founders were not welcome in other organizations on their campuses. Several of our founding fathers changed their last names due to the anti-Semitism and other issues they faced. Sigma Alpha Mu fraternity has a great appreciation for Jewish heritage, and we understand that hate and bias impact not only the college experience, but the world around us. The other thing that the fraternity does well is provides educational experiences to supplement the campus curriculum to address leadership, address hate and bias, and a variety of other skills that students need to be better individuals, leaders, civic participants. In 2016, we adopted a pro-Israel resolution to help our students equip themselves with the tools to address anti-Semitism, the BDS movement, and other issues on their campus communities. And that's why the partnership with Combat Anti-Semitism movement is important. It's another opportunity for us to continue to deliver resources and information to not only our 2,000 undergraduate members, but the 70,000 living alumni who are interested in helping advance these efforts. Growth continues to be a priority, that we are continuing to expand our presence on more campuses and return to chapters where we have had history in the past but aren't currently active.